top stories. NPF has already pulled out of coalition government in Manipur in principle. BJP already estranged the allies, says Awangbo Nimai. Mary Kom, Sarita cleans gold medals at second India Open boxing tournament. And Marine men putting efforts to preserve traditional musical instruments. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. President of Manipur unit of Naga People's Front, NPF, has said the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, is already an estranged ally of NPF. He further made it clear that NPF has already pulled out of the BJP-led coalition government in Manipur in principle, but added that the party is still with the Biren government in the interest of the people. Talking to TOM-TV at his Lumphel quarter in Imphal, Awangbo also lauded the people's mandate and expressed happiness for electing party's candidate in the Lok Sabha polls.
Yes, both inner and outer habitat. Animaxi anawbani, but well educated, aduga people friendly oiba, aduga miyam gidamakta yam khanjaba dukumba khanbire hana ai lawi, aduna khanbiriba Praja Punamak aduga bothadariba Praja Punamak loinana Manipur Praja Punamakpu ay thagat pa phongdok pa loinana mayamna khoi anoba khongthang Manipur da anoba punchi anoba development peace prosperity lakpo oinana ba mayam khurumjaraga leise.
Commenting on the present relations between NPF and the ruling BJP, Awangbo remarked that there is no question of withdrawing from the coalition government by the party as of now. This, he said, has happened as per the wishes of the people. The state NPF leader has already said the party's chief could take a final decision on parting ways with the coalition government in near future.
Manipur ki praja ki apamba si infrastructural development nadragana anything which a state asigi darkar lay punamang se MP sing phongdopo darkar lay adubo chakhiba matam kyamarum da koi with due respect to former MPs mohi akhon prajana pam do phongdok ta bugum tawe moi tumin na lekhi bugum tawe aduna handak koina MP se thagat pesidi tumin na leba tumin na phamba MP khalla de kogi praja gi amang ba kyamrum lay aduna akhogi dmahta phongdok pangamba phongdok ke hanak wakhan leiba dugumba aduguma party se miyam khanbiyo.
Before any final decision is taken, Awangbo said NPF will wait and watch the movement of the Biren government post the Lok Sabha polls. Six-time world champion MC Mary Kom and the seasoned boxer Sarita Devi spearheaded India's gold rush at the second India Open boxing tournament, which concluded yesterday. Asian Games gold medalist Amit Panghal thwarted a spirited challenge from giant killer Sachin SURAJ with a well-calculated display to clinch the gold by a split 4-1 verdict in the highly competitive 52 kg men's category. World Championship medalist Sarita Devi won her first gold in 3 years, beating Simranjit Kaur 3-2 by virtue of a split decision. Olympic bronze medalist Mary Kom saw off a valiant fight by former national champion Vanlal Duarte of Mizoram to emerge winner by unanimous decision. Nikhat Jareen and Jyoti took the bronze medals for an all-India finish in the podium. Home favorite and World Championship bronze medalist Shiva Thapa avenged his last year's semi-final defeat to defending champion Manish Kaushik to grab the 60 kg gold in front of a boisterous crowd at the Karmabir Navin Chandra Bordoloi Indoor Stadium, Guwahati.
Olympic dream step my bike all over the confidence like हेना कॉन्फिडेंस आई कम नहीं है मैं ओलंपिक कंप्लीट कर सकता है हाइबेगी को ओलंपिक तो ngam आई माय पाकनी हाइबेगी स्टेप अमा आई खोंग थांजिन ngam मजम ngोन नुंगाय भाव हेना कॉन्फिडेंस लई हौजिक डेट 25 hayeng khoi chat khibjidigi इटाली दा ट्रेनिंग की चलुरानी इटाली दगी आइलैंड अदो मथंग था दा खोई थोरकनी अदुगा अदुम कंटिन्यूस गेम में अखोई लेनी मरकता कंपटीशन अतै तै सुलम चखि
The Maring community of Manipur are music lovers since time immemorial. They invented many traditional musical instruments like kring kring and taudri or tautri. At present, one DM Marung, son of late DM Angnai of Machi village, Part 2, is selflessly putting efforts to preserve these aged old music instruments. Here's a report on this.
One of the oldest villages of Maring community in the state is Machi village, situated at around 20 kilometers from Kakching Lamkai in Tegnopal district. Machi village was notably the most memorable place for Japanese soldiers during the Second World War. On visiting the village by a Tom TV team, DM Marung told our reporters about his keen interest in music while he was studying at Hairok, and after coming back home, he learned that these indigenous music instruments of kring kring and taudri were dying. As such, DM Marung started teaching the Maring youth of his village on how to play these instruments with a vision to preserve these priceless music instruments.
मागी मूर्ति मागी सक्तम सिगी आर्टसु लैजै ओजादना ताकपिरकपदा आइना हंगजाहुबदको मसि मी अमगी सक्तमनी हाय सुमाय येंगबदा सिना मीगी अखोइगी कोगेट नुपा दौरगना कोगेट नुपी दा ओरगना अखोइगी अखोइ संबुंदोंगना मथक थंगबा ममांगैदा हौरकपा अदुगी मतमदगिनी हाय अदु मसिना मागी ममी ममाई अदुना सिना मंगक सिना मागी मथबाक ममांगी शरुक सुमा चेट येंगबदा पूरा मीतमनी मासी सुमायना कुम्मगा सिदी अइना पाइननबा सुम अइना हौजिक मॉडर्न गिदा सुम सेमजिबि वानी हाना ममांगै गिदी असेंगबदु असिनी से मखागिना खोंगी सरुक हाय सुमायना लेपदा चेपनि येंगबना सुमायना उइ हायबनि सिदी म खोंगी सरुक हाय अदा मसिदा खोंगी सरुक अरसु मखादा मागी अहक्पा अहुम मसु लैरी मसिना करिगिनो आइना मु हंगमगाना अहक्पा सी लैसाबिसिंगना नुपीसिंगना मोय फी साबदा अवाब मतमदा हे खोंगे अदगी कोकि हगच्चबा कयगुम तौबदा असिगिसिना हक्पसिना सुम खोननबा हायना सी हक्पनि हाय सीबा वाइ कुपना nghawi मोयसिना नाकोंग थेलगा फी साबगी सुमाइन थेलगा मोय थम्मी हाय अवाब हेक पोथाव काटा ngasai फी साबिंगा पोथारगा हेक खोंगे खोंबगी मतम वाक्सिंग फाइरेन अदगी लमदा था फाव सिगी मनुंगदा पाखंग लैसाबिसिंगना खोंगनायेसे मसिगी मखोन ताबदा पुकनिंगना नुंसीबा फावबा अदुगा पाखंग लैसाबि नुंसीबगी वारी निसिंगकपा कावंगमदबा सिगुम फावहन्नबा म्यूजिक जंत्र अमनी जो हाय मोहिना अदगी मसिसि क्याम संदोकना हाइबा मतमदा अखोइगी मरिंगी युम्बान कैबानबदा सिगी परमान लौदना इसै फावबा लै है तौत्री हाइगो असेंगबदी हौजिकना कोने लोनसमदा तौद्री हैना सखिबिगी वानी मसी खोमगी मतमसी मेरा था अद यांगै पोइनु वक्चिंग फावबा खोंगी हाय अदुगी मतमदा सजिबु थागी चरुखो कक्पा आइना कोइ फाव खावग्र मतुंगदा चरुखो फुक्तोकपा कक्पा आइना खंगनै हौबदगी मेरा था फावगी मनुंगदा सुरम नोमम खिबा अदगी वा खिबा वारी वाताइस लोइना पाखंग लैसा ओइना वारी लिथोकनरगा हराव मिनोक नोकपा अदगी वा खिबा मयाम वाना समुक निंगसिंगबा असिगुम्बगी फोंगदोकबा म्यूजिक नि हाय
It is worth mentioning that DM Marung is also quite good at other instruments like guitar, harmonica, penna and so on. In fact, he knows contemporary music very well. It is said that kring kring was mainly played for relaxation by Maring youngsters after a long and tiring weaving session in certain months of the year. Interestingly, a Maring guy used to give it as a present to his lover. On the other hand, Tawdri was more commonly used in Manipuri lunar calendar months of Mera, Hiangai, Poinu and Wakching during leisure hours.
Akhoi ijati saktak pose. Akhoi gi tradition gi china pot asina anamana takpa oirameba. Khoina TV da kari da yengubada urubada ko. Masida pelaktra aise aisu khut sa tekpadi nati dana. Aisu imit leidana uidana aisu wakhal leidana ina khalaga aina masi nungai jaduna aisu khombat padare sengmat patare masi thigalak padare ne haujar ki bane mi gi lamna tradition gi posakta identity da aluk matik chawkhat pa matam sida uhalak pa matam sida akhoina kai dauduna leiri masi nukhoi su changkhon biu masida khonna biu ijati mangan bi ganu ijati magun chawkhat an biu masi kanna tambiu adigi mangi bo saksindu puthoaga chawkharan biu aduga sakhangan biu adigi masi sinarak pa yaba hojiki matamdana karida sinaba yari adigi hojiki isaidana karida hapa yari haidu thigalaga chungsinna halaga modern gi music ka hojiki music ka si chana ba yam leiri aina paujel du yam pi bani adu mokhoi su tauge tamge haina hojik pudi mayam mado mokhoi aning mudo phongdork ba am yauri hojik paubusi.
DM Marung said that the art and culture represents the identity of a particular community and urged every Naga youth to have knowledge about these ancient musical instruments, since many outsiders are trying hard to spread and showcase their cultures and tradition in the state currently. He added, whatever culture and traditions our ancestors passed on to us should be preserved and make it more effective in showcasing the old values to the world.
Without naming BJP, the Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC President Gai Khangam has claimed that Congress faced drawing in the Lok Sabha polls 2019 in Manipur because of some key factors like use of money and muscle power, intimidation and political control. The polls were not held in a free and fair manner, but Congress accepts the people's mandate. Gai Khangam told a press meet at the Congress Bhavan, Imphal yesterday. Gai Khangam, who is also a member of Congress Working Committee CWC, said the number of votes secured by the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP in the polls cannot be trusted at all. Flanked by party candidate O. Nabakishore, the MPCC chief further said Congress welcomes and accepts the mandate given by the electorate. But the hoping vote figure of BJP is totally against the calculation of the people. He said Congress will continue to work and go with the people.
NPF sinaw si candidate sina naga taba district sida sing sida naga hagetare sabi naron sing sina phong na bot khomba chumni khomba na tana bot side BJP amadi NPF ke candidate ani isigidamakta naron magi naron sing thora kanda phong na but capture tawba aduga mass ragging to threat and intimidation to organ that board had hand mayamasina okay you can have it parties is home don't open parties wanted.
O. Nabakishore expressed his gratitude to the electorate for giving the maximum vote they could for him in the polls.
Aduga hairiba experience leraba matik charaba leaders sing mayam adegi Congress ki karmi mayam singchina hone bibadagi ai swamna vote phangjabani aina thamjage mokoi punamaku su aina punsi subagi waina laman tonsinjare aduga mokoi punamaki mafam du su ai thagatpa wahi khara do thamjage matung da su hairiba leaders sing si lamjing makha da ai thabak tawjakini aibagi wahi khara danga thamjage.
Dr. Lorho, who emerged victorious in the Outer Manipur Parliamentary constituency in the Lok Sabha polls 2019, has stated that he will work for the people of Manipur regardless of hills and valley. Winner of the Outer Manipur Parliamentary seat, Dr. Lorho also said he should not be considered as a mere Naga MP. He thanked the electorate for choosing him as their leader and pledged to work according to the pulse of the people. Dr. Lorho contested the outer seat on NPF ticket. Talking exclusively to Tom TV at his Imphal's Deolaland residence, Dr. Lorho also assured that he will take up initiative to sort out the issue pertaining to the electoral rights of the people in the outer who have not been given the right to contest in elections, though voting rights are given.
Any division, kadai dashu, kadongai dashu, jati bijati khai dana, mayam gida makta lepkani, maitei khangde, pangan khangde, adagi cookie, non cookie sing, koi zau paite, lushai, kano mayam mar, masima kai gida makta show, I have na, naga gida makta natana, mayam gida makta lepkadaura bane, maduna mayam na. Kadongai desho hojikti nagagi MP ne na tongan khangano nahaki MP amani habisi khanbi rehraga mayam laga thabak suminasi.
Dr. Lorho went on to say that priority will also be given on the need to leverage key resources in the hills and will also give impetus to education sector and welfare of the youth.
I have na represent the outer Manipur gi ora banina. Outer Manipur gi oina ahan mamakta da changsan badi tare madubu outer Manipur ne haragashu maduda khogi tamgi saruk amasu yauri adagi jati bijati yamna sulairi bnena mayam gi damakta da dum subirani hek masigi kendra asida outer Manipur asida tamda lairiba ichine naw singsi moibo yamna tonganna moigi right chipu apumba phangde habnina madudashu ai priority ama pigini moisu akoi amatani chingmi ni tamni ni hana khaidok peleite madudashu ai ahanba priority ama pibigini ai hakna changsen ba sida mayam ge apamba do karino habsi yeng laga apamba do karamba mong da thunghan sige habsi ahaki priority ni hoi tamda leriba kangbusina vote ti thada biyaraga lepangam da habsi basic right chi mogi da maksu sukai bani madugi da makta karigumba delimitation lakpa matam asida masigi ayaba mataw biraraga koi tamda leriba ichine naw singi da makta su representation chi leibangam nana bigi da makta ahakna mayam ge da makta fight tawgani.
Candidate of Indian National Congress who contested from Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency, K. James thanked the people for extending support and love to him in the Lok Sabha election. K. James also gave due respect to AICC leaders, MPCC President and CLP leader for having faith in him and giving Congress candidacy. He, however, expressed discontentment that a free and fair election was not hindered due to disruptions from different quarters during the polls. He also contended that had there been no such malpractices, he would have won the election. K. James maintained that he will continue to work for the welfare of the people. Treasurer of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Robin Blackie, has claimed that the Congress party is heading towards a complete collapse and getting out of the Indian politics map forever. Addressing a press conference at the BJP office located at Kanchipur, Robin Blackie for the South maximum number of votes polled for BJP candidate in Langthawal constituency in the recently concluded Lok Sabha elections clearly indicated that the people of the constituency have faith in the party. The result was mainly because of the concerted and collective effort of BJP and LJP in the constituency. The national mandate also proved that people of the nation still prefer Narendra Modi to any other leaders. He also refuted the allegation by MPCC President over absence of a free and fair election, saying it was unfounded and baseless. It is a sign of frustration out of embarrassment, he added.
Kep 2016 gi matang da aina pankhiwa wafam kharada kanagamba mioi amadi kanglup Harada apana na haikiba nate academic discussion tawkiba du da kanagumba mioi natraga CSO singi nungaitaba thoklibado aina ai isagi maikaidagi nungaitaba phongdok tari loinana lana lawidana basoina appeal tawjari handaki election da opposition party singna ibi ahanbada election commission da jahaz tawi adugi matungda amuk Supreme Court Bharat ki आइन की जिदा आइन थाजा तना लड़बा आइन की सुप्रीम कोर्ट की मठक तब चांस हुए अब अदु लोरकान दम एग्जिट पोल लाकान ददी ईवीएम दा चांस हुए अब ईवीएम का एग्जिट पोल का मरी लेना दे एग्जिट पोल है बिसे तोंगान बे एजेंसी सिंगना ग्रास रूट चलगा मधु चुंबन नत्रगा लान बैदुना मनी ग्रास रूट चलगा मोइना फंगबा रिजल्ट तो उच्च बनेबा ईवीएम की रिजल्ट Exit poll के result हेक लाखी बदेगी EVM हेक तौरे EVM सी sigi EVM sidaneba Kerala da Congress party na palamba adi mutung da Communist party na laiba Kejriwal na kagriba Congress party na Punjab ta kariba Karnataka da sigi EVM sida thamangai election tawuna adu da EVM da blame tawdeba aduna Congress party ki lusingba kai khonujare sri ke khagam na hairiwa ado akogi Lekthok pa yana ba mai thiba dugi maram ama thiraga mandate ta time aduna last election commission da akogi Supreme Court ta EVM da tainaram badagi prajada onjalaga tainarakpani aina ai logjage.
Well, it's time now for a short break.
Kangla Packaged Drinking Water, a unit of Lamjingba Group, Chingmang Poising, Nambol, Bishnupur District, Manipur, 795134. We aim to provide minerals added and purified drinking water to every household of the state, Manipur, ensuring good and healthy life for all. Silent features, RO-treated purified water, added minerals, state-of-art infrastructure water plant, processed and packaged under hygienic condition, sterilized water bottles, natural and clear stream water source, features and benefits, free home delivery, a filled jar free subscription on registration, 1 month free subscription on registration, Rs 500 registration fee, 30 bottles per month, that is 600 liters, Rs 250 subscription fee per month, 2 months free on subscription of a year. Subscription type monthly Rs 250, half yearly Rs 1500, quarterly Rs 750, yearly Rs 3000. Offer valid till 30th May 2019. For more details, please contact us at 8257 888737 or email us at lamjingbakanglawwater@gmail.com.
Admissions open for sports and academic combo courses. Private Sports Academy Guwahati amasung Damayanti English School Moniari Tinialiga yanakibagi matung inna Manipur amadi North East ta leiriba class 10 pass tauraba 11 tamningba 12 pass tauraba graduation tamningba amadi class 3 dagi 7 fauba makha tamningba mahiroi singi selection test pangthoklagani. Football, athletics, taekwondo, karate, zitkundo gi mahiroi taragani thoi lawjagadauri. Lakliba Zungi Tang Ani Ayoki Pung Tare Taba Matamda DK College Playground Mirza Guwahati da Pangthokadaba Final Selection Test Asida Mahiroi Singna Yaubiba Yaragani. Akupa Marol Gidama contact Tobirau 700-523-5638 Natraga 8011-560-148.
Welcome back after the break. A student was found hanging inside the boys' hostel number 2 in Manipur University campus, Imphal, this morning. The deceased has been identified as K. Lunminlan Kipgen, aged 23, son of K. Pau Khomang Kipgen of El Sonfai village, Sadar Hills in Kangpopi district. United Committee Manipur UCM today reiterated its demand for clarification from the state and central governments on the recent statement made by an NSCN-IM functionary that the Indo-Naga ceasefire is extended in Manipur. As the 72-hour ultimatum served to the government in this regard lapsed today, a team of UCM met Minister of CAF and PD Karam Siam at Old Secretariat after Chief Minister invited them for talk and deputed the minister as his representative. Speaking to media persons after the talk, UCM President Sunil Karam said that the government has assured to act according to the wishes of the people of Manipur. However, UCM will wait for the Chief Minister to return from Delhi and hold talk with him to know his clear stand on the issue. Sunil also reiterated that if the response from the government does not come out positive, then UCM will take its next course of action to protect the state integrity. Replying to a question, Sunil Karam asserted that there is no plan to meet central leaders on the issue as of now, but the union government will be intimidated and sought clarification within the next couple of days. UCM General Secretary, Vice President, IPR Secretary and Organization Secretary were also part of the team.
UCM delegation team ga punna ga muk phamina rakana ai khoi ge punna lomina bayaba Manipur prajana pamiba amasung UCM na khanjariba wakalol punam ga se koi gi lengak china su koi gi pangthok na ba ko honagani tonona honagani haibagi suma assurance ma lai ana karigumada positive natraga positive response phangdab taragadi hek nongalakpada UCM na Manipur miyamgi damakta apunbagi saktam ngaknanaba adugi stand do chapchana leiri habisingo ai thamjage.
Imphal West Commando, under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Operations WAG Sharma, conducted hotel search at Pauna Bazaar and Thangal Bazaar in Imphal city area. Hotel Embassy, Hotel GM, Hotel Avenue, Hotel Polo, Niran Lodge, Prince Lodge, Hotel Siroy, Hotel Bleeze and Guest House were searched during the operation, which started from 3:30 p.m. and continued till 4:20 p.m. 2 men and 2 women were picked up from Prince Lodge and later handed over to City Police Station for further verification. Assam Rifles arrested one suspected arms dealer along with an accomplice during an operation in Kaching area following an information received regarding a weapon deal taking place in Kaching Garden. According to a press release from PRO of IZAR South, the troops of Assam Rifles pursued the individual and nabbed him after a brief scuffle. The release said, the accomplice, the Madoon, 25, son of the Tomba, a resident of Khudai Kuno village, was caught inside the car. During interrogation, the individuals provided information regarding a cache of weapons hidden beneath a nearby culvert. A detailed search of the area led to the recovery of 3 AK-56 rifles with magazines, 1 9mm pistol with a magazine and 5 rounds, the release said. Handicap Development HD Foundation Manipur, in collaboration with TORS, it organized a one-day program on the theme Training and Awareness Come Sarthi device distribution to help the visually impaired community at Government Idle Blind School Takel. As part of the event, a device called Sarthi, which is the brainchild of Torch, it was also launched for the first time in the Northeast region. Addressing the function, Secretary General of HD Foundation Sapam Jashovanta said that this new device will help the visually challenged persons to some extent in their mobility.
Khara makhaidi akoi minimize tawdana akoi gi hana akoi da lairamba khudong chada basindu han bagaloina na akoi na pangthongningi ba thabak thoram kaya soidana maki khumang chawsenna yangna pangthokpada hariba device na soidana maki mateng oigani haibasi akoi Handicap Development Foundation Manipurna yam lumna amadi chena thajajabani.
Manipur, under the aegis of Skyway Invest Group, SWIG, Belarus, Russia, organized an educational seminar on financial management at City Convention Center, Konung Mamang today. In the seminar, 4 speakers from Russia and France participated in the seminar. Talking to media persons, managers of SWIG Northeast Region, Dr. Santirani alias Lydia, mentioned about the principal objective of the seminar and said it imparted managing and financial accounting knowledge and skills to an individual. She further added that the knowledge on financial investment will help the investors in various ways.
This kind of education we never get it in any other different sector. I mean, in any other education department, maybe in a university or any other section. We never get this kind of education, and here we will be getting that all about financial education, in the sense, suppose if you have lots of money and if you want to invest somewhere, and you should have a full knowledge, then only you can save your money and then only you can earn more money. Otherwise, you'll be losing if you have lots of money also in your hand now. So that kind of knowledge we'll be getting through this educational seminar, especially about where we'll be investing and which company will be the better company and which company will be the safer company and which company will give more return and which company will give a faster return. So such kind and most of the most important part is the education which we are going to get it today is how a person can make from $1 to $1,000 in a very short period of time. That is the main education we are going to learn today.
A 3-day-long 19th state-level sub-junior and junior for boys and girls Wushu Championship kicked off at the Community Hall of Chingamatha College Road Youth Development Association, Imphal today. The championship is organized by Imphal West District Wushu Association under the aegis of Wushu Association of Manipur. General Secretary of Wushu Association of Manipur, Hanjabam Jayadeva Sharma said the championship is being held to select players who will participate in national championships. Such tournaments are held at different districts alternately in order to harness young talents from grassroots level.
Kaino khangdaba mayam sing ngasi praja gi miyam sing sina mama mapa sing thola kanda masana si yang kanda hena macha sing sanan ma polakpa sugum mayam ang ki yang kanda khoina district se sung thungna chatlaga akhoi gi makhoi da pithok pani sanhan bani pangthon bani aduga player sing si hena mapung phaba mo erakadra haiba gi panam da khoi makhoi kano Imphal West piraga pangthom ko ne ba adubu federation ge su district level pangthok haiba lai adugi mathakta district ta pangthok pa haibasna district gi sanaba se hena mapung phanana ba adugi dong ta pangthok sabani.
Mrs. Pinake 2019 and winner of Women Excellence Award, Khangembam Hentoi alias Ranjita Laima was felicitated at Classic Grand Imphal today. The program was organized by Lining Amadi Inat Yokhatpa Apunba Malem, Vice President of Lining Thausanamahi Temple Board, Vidyapati Senjam, advisors of Layam, Moirangthe Megachandra, Gagrin Koizam and Waikhom Nimaichan graced the event.
Panasi Mrs. India gi winner oirakiba loinana mathangda Mumbai da amukse pangthokiba da Women Excellence Award haibama lorakiba loinana amuksu Delhi based toba amana sinlakpada Women's Wisdom of Women's Wow Excellence Award haibama handak chahi gi oina mathang phangakpasida aikoi gi lup asina mahakpu woknanaba Taurangsi Tokjabani
Tabununda Lotna Leribache, Mapan Tona Kanganba, Malem the Kanganba, I have a Kanglipa, Manipur, Asida Leriba, Nupi Wishing J, Tacheng Namak, Sawong the Sadada, Lingjanda, Tonada, Wakalda, Panama Makoi Pajaba Yawi have a chair, Tacheng Nama Otopotaka, Labagi the Mukta, a single Langasi Toromache, Maru in a Pantopani. Ngasi Toromaje, Pangtok Iroina Tung the Su, Asima Toromaje, Amana Pangtokuna, Asigi Leva Asida Leriba Kanga, the Loton Leriba Pajama Mayamcha, we Puto Achi have a Pauzil, Masigi Toromazina, oil.
Let's take a short break once again.
Admissions open for Modi University, Laxmangarh, Rajasthan. School of Architecture and Town Planning, School of Design, School of Engineering and Technology, School of Sciences, School of Liberal Arts, School of Management Studies, School of Legal Studies. 53% scholarship for Nordis students. For details, please contact Career Info Solution, New Chekon Road, near Bazaar, India, 841 3976 991. For more details, please visit our website www.modiuniversity.ac.in. Modi University.
Kindergarten Montessori School affiliated to CBSE New Delhi, Sagol Bantakil Kolom Laikai, Imphal West. Admission in progress. Class 11 Science and Arts 2019-20. Admission criteria 80% and above. Direct admission, free tuition fee, free textbooks and free uniform one time only. 70% to 79%. Direct admission, free textbooks. 60% to 69%. Direct admission and free textbooks. 40% to 59%. Admission through entrance test. For more details, please contact Kindergarten Montessori School, Sagol Bantakil, Kolom Laikai, Imphal West.
Welcome back. A felicitation program for rank holders and higher marks scorers of Heritage Convent School, Harung Sabal Laikai at the recently declared High School Living Certificate Examination 2019 conducted by the Board of Secondary Education Manipur was held today at the school campus, number 3 in Harung Sabal Laikai. Honoring outstanding students, Aruna Waikhom, who stood 15th position along with 20th position holder Selina Lystrom and 22nd holder Sanjenbam Eric were awarded ₹1 lakh each. On the other hand, 8 other students who scored 85% and above in the exam were also awarded with 1 laptop each. Addressing the function, S. Vikramjit Singh, the Executive Director of Heritage Convent, said that the event was held to motivate the students of the school. He also assured that an award of ₹2 lakh each will be given to every student of the school who comes out in 4th to 25th positions and a car each to those students who hold 1st to 3rd positions in the metric exam next year.
First, second, third tab the car pizza about 4th to 25th na akoi laptop ama pibi ba to haina akoi leise aduga huji powder akoi dati 80% of the leise. Though of course we always wish they do well in their exam, but as of now akoi school dati adupti leise adubu matam akoi school da huji free da tamba yamna lei. Say for example akoi laikai gi akoi bada leiba mayam sing akoi free da oya aduga economic basis tadi akoi huji phawdi leise de merit basis to orga de akoi de lei merit basis huji haije ki ba Oscar heritage Oscar haibedu akoi huji merit basis tani aduga as of now akoi huji ti economic basis de akoi de huji leise te. In the long run probably we will, but huji phawdi leise tre.
The Assam Higher Secondary Education Council declared the results of Class 12th or HSA examination this morning. Khushbu Firdaus of Brilliant Academy Junior College, Darang secured first rank in Arts stream, securing 478 marks. Sayan Mazumdar of Darang College, Sonitpur and Bitupan Arandhara of Ramanujan Junior College, Nagaon secured first rank in Science stream, jointly securing 478 marks. Ashim Sarkar of Vivekananda Junior College, Kasar secured first rank in Commerce stream, securing 474 marks. The overall pass percentage has slightly increased as 80.57% of students who appeared for the board exams passed this year. The pass percentage in the 3-stream Arts, Commerce and Science witnessed a marginal rise compared to last year. A total of 1,78,998 candidates appeared for the examination, of which 1,08,575 students passed in first division, 4,42,434 secured second division and 73,482 students stood at third division. As usual, the girls outperformed boys. Sri Lankan President Maithripala Sirisena will attend Prime Minister Narendra Modi's swearing-in ceremony scheduled to be held in New Delhi on May 30th. President Sirisena, who had earlier sent a congratulatory message to Prime Minister Modi, said it was a pleasure to congratulate the Prime Minister over the phone and mentioned that Sri Lanka also celebrates along with the world's largest democracy. On Prime Minister Modi's re-election, Sri Lanka is looking forward to work together to further develop our bilateral ties, the President added. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres posthumously honored Indian police officer Jitendra Kumar with prestigious Dag Hammarskjöld Medal for sacrificing his life during the world body's peacekeeping mission in the war-torn Democratic Republic of the Congo. The medal was awarded at the UN headquarters during a specialty reception hosted by India's permanent mission to the UN to commemorate the International Day of UN Peacekeepers and pay homage to those who could not return after their service. Now let's have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, BJP rest inner parliamentary constituency, NPF tax outer parliamentary constituency, Ranjan Fose Delhi bound, Mary Com Sarita Devi amid back gold. Process of government formation soon. What next for Rahul Gandhi and Congress? The Morning Bell. Stage set for new NDA government at centre. Council of Ministers resigns. Students must conserve nature for posterity, says DFO. Work on rejuvenation and conservation of Nambul River begins. DESAM aims allege question leakages in both exams. 35-year-old found dead of suspected overdose. The People's Chronicle. Post Lok Sabha results, Chief Minister led team leaves to meet BJP top brass. Rahul Gandhi likely to resign at Congress Working Committee meet. 8 inner, 5 outer candidates lose security deposits. Congress doesn't hire ultras to do dirty work, says Gai Khangam. Veterinary director stresses timely vaccination of cattle. Question paper leakage link to coaching centers. Imphal Free Press. Theresa May resigns after Brexit failure. I still cannot believe the results, but we need to accept it, says Gai Khangam. A glance at the final election results. Interstate road project worth rupees 19.13 crore left incomplete. Manipur Mail. Ranjan Loho felicitated on winning Lok Sabha seats. Governor presents citations to Assam Rifles. 4 new Supreme Court judges sworn in.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. MPF has already pulled out of coalition government in Manipur in principle. BJP already a strength ally, says Awangbo Nyamai. Mary Kom Sarita cleans gold medals at 2nd India Open Boxing Tournament. And marine men putting efforts to preserve traditional musical instruments. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.